Hit!
These bastards shooting at the wee tiny gap.
Oh fuck, had a tree. I hit a tree. So close to him when I hit that fucking tree. Hit. Right, I have 2 more hits. I'm picking one more here. Hit. Back here where I am.
Can I move on up ahead there?
Just you go back on your hit, just. Yep. Just move back. Where the fuck that is that happening now? Jake, is that Jake man calls hits, no?
I got fucking I don't know how many fucking pyros there.
Oh. I used one, I was still one of mine, man. Bunch off the tree.
Oh shit.
Whoa, I didn't see them coming right at me.
Pyro! Smoke bomb fight!
Hey, is my camera on? Is it flashing?
No, I flash.
Fucking I already used the orange one last time I used it. Oh. Use the white one this time. Oh, for fuck's sake, if somebody gets that, throw it, hit a tree again. Throw it. Hit.